So this might be a boring video to some, but I am currently in Stillwater, Pennsylvania, and that right there is the Stillwater Covered Bridge. It's the old chapel. Pretty cool. All in all, it's a beautiful place as well. Something about Pennsylvania, you know. It's a really pretty place, man. A little bit of artwork on the tails. I wonder if they all have artwork. Oh, they do. Pretty cool. And these are the individuals responsible for making sure that this beautiful piece of history stays intact and stays here so the rest of us can enjoy it. And that is Stillwater Bridge.